Hey, I'm Xolo Maridueña.
I'm Jacob Bertrand.
I'm Mary Mauser.
Peyton List, and we're here playing Who's Most Likely To with Popsugar.
I think it's more fun when we have it just be the people here. I think it raises the stakes, you know? It makes it personal.
Easy. Jacob. Because I literally, every time I log on to Instagram and see his stories, no idea what I'm walking into. Like, Xolo, 9 times out of 10, it's him jamming out in his car. Peyton has some like really gorgeous photos of herself on set. And then Jacob, I never know what's going on.
I feel like, Mary, you are the most likely to binge a whole series on Netflix in one day. Yeah.
You're not wrong.
Let's see. What are you watching nowadays, Mary?
I'm rewatching Criminal Minds.
Don't give us that Demi Lovato.
Supernatural.
That Debbie Ryan.
Demi Lovato, you mean Debbie
Debbie,
Ryan?
I corrected myself. The other one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I mean, I'm watching those right now, but I just binged almost all of The Office.
Damn, this is like kind of offensive.
I really don't know how to answer this. I think because we're similar, I think I'd have to say Mary. Mary, do you agree with that?
You're also not wrong. The amount of times,
did I come off? Was I kind? Like, I feel like I could see you.
There was one time Jacob texted me something like 2 years ago, and I forgot to respond for like a month. And then when I finally responded, I like laid awake at night being like, he probably hates me. Like, a set is going to be so awkward. This is like the worst thing I've ever done. He's not responding because he hates me.
You know what's so funny is I don't even remember that. Honestly, I would probably say Mary. I think Mary is like the most passionate when it comes to like off-season training and keeping up with it off-season. So I would definitely say her, and I think she would be the best with teaching kids. I don't know if
I knew that's where you were going with it. I was like, all right, I'll take it though. I'll take it.
Yeah.
I have to choose myself here. Yeah.
No.
Gotcha.
Oh my god!
I genuinely, I'd probably say Jacob. Jacob is out of the four of us definitely the best fighter. I don't think any of us can compare. I don't want your head to get too big, Jacob, but I think out of this group, it's just because Tanner isn't here to beat you up for us.
Oh, really? What do you say? What happened with me and Tanner fought, huh? Why don't you tell that story?
We'll let him tell it himself.
Xolo. You have to finish that sentence. Because like Xolo tries to hide it, but like he has the biggest heart. Like, first of all, like heart of gold, and I think he also like me, I think takes even the small things very seriously, and I could see him putting his whole heart into like wanting to do something big for somebody.
That was nice, Mary. I'll remember that.
Oh, well, Xolo and Jacob are already TikTok famous.
I guess we'll never know.
Mary, are you on TikTok?
I am. I've made 2 of them.
Oh, I need to find you. I need to find all of you. Jacob wouldn't share his TikTok username with me, even though his video blew up, apparently.
It's a secret. Dang, that's a really hard one. I feel like it's pretty equal.
I have the answer in my head clearly.
What'd you say?
Say your answer. I don't know. I feel like it was pretty obvious.
Really?
I think so.
Jacob's like, oh, obvious.
Mary is literally the biggest Disney fanatic of all time. How could you not?
Even Broadway though.
Beauty and the Beast is like her Bible. You cannot.
For my thing, I'm saying Xolo.
True. I would kill Lin-Manuel Miranda.
I guess that's true.
Him?
I guess
Did you just openly admit to murder?
I guess taking into account the Disney factor, I would have to say Mary Mauser.
This is more superlatives than I ever came out of middle school with.
Mary, did you ever audition for Broadway when you were in New York?
I did. I got down to the end to play like Little Cosette in Les Mis at one point.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
but I caught the flu the week of my final audition for it. Went into the very last call, and they did that thing where they come out into the hallway and they're like, "You can go home." I was 5. They're like, "You can go home." I'm like, "Okay."
Bye, Popsugar.
Bye, Popsugar.
Bye, Popsugar.